Great architecture isn't just about beautiful buildings. It's about improving people's lives. It's about improving people's lives.
Talent opened the door, Marcus. Your character convinced me to trust you with this project.
Thank you. I won't let you down. Every opportunity begins with a single good decision.
And the best investments are always in good people.
If you watched that short demo and thought it took hours to make, you'll be surprised. If you've been creating AI videos, you already know how frustrating the process can be. One tool writes the script, another generates images, another creates the video, and then you still have to edit everything together yourself. It's slow, expensive, and your scenes don't always stay consistent. But Google Flow Storyboard changes that. With just one script, it can generate an entire AI video in minutes, all inside a single workflow, and the best part is, it's completely free. Let me show you exactly how it works. To get started, head over to Google Flow and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, create a new project. On the left side of the screen, open the Tools panel, scroll down, and select Storyboard Studio. Now, select a visual style. From the pool of styles here, if you have your own visual idea, you can create it. I will go with realistic, then click on Get Started. This is where your entire video production begins. A lot of people make the same mistake here. They type a single sentence, click Generate, and hope AI figures everything out for them. While that does produce something usable, the results are usually very generic. You'll get a script, a few scenes, characters, dialogue, and camera suggestions, but everything feels predictable. The story lacks personality, the characters are forgettable, and it ends up looking like countless other AI videos online. Instead, treat Storyboard Studio like you're giving instructions to a real filmmaker. The more detail you provide, the better the final result. For example, rather than asking for a short story about an inventor, ask ChatGPT to help you create a complete creative brief. Give your main character a name, describe their appearance, explain the setting, define the beginning, the conflict, and the ending, then specify how many scenes you want. You can even include the camera angle for each scene and the exact dialogue each character should speak. Once your creative brief is ready, paste it into Storyboard Studio and generate the project. Even though we're using the exact same tool, the output is on a completely different level. You'll get a structured screenplay with a consistent main character, properly organized scenes, camera directions, and dialogue that's much easier to turn into a professional video. The best part is that this entire planning stage doesn't use any video generation credits, so you can refine your story as much as you like before moving on to animation. Now that the screenplay is ready, it's time to create everything you'll need visually. Click on the Assets tab. This is where Google Flow generates the characters, locations, and props based on the screenplay you just created. You can build these assets in two different ways. If you already have a clear vision, you can write your own prompts for every character and location. That gives you complete creative control. But if you want to save time, simply click Autofill, and Storyboard Studio will generate everything for you automatically using the information from your screenplay. I'll use autofill for this tutorial. Within a few moments, you'll see your main character appear, along with all the locations and objects needed for the story. For this example, my character is Marcus, a young architect wearing a navy jacket and round glasses, exactly as described in the creative brief. The office, apartment, streets, and every other location are generated automatically without me writing a single image prompt. There is one important tip that can make a huge difference in the quality of your final video. When Storyboard Studio generates locations, it usually creates multiple variations of the same place. They may look almost identical at first glance, but small details like the furniture, lighting, or decorations can change between versions. If you use different variations of the same room throughout your video, viewers may notice those subtle differences, making the environment feel inconsistent. A much better approach is to assign a unique location to each scene. Not only does this avoid continuity issues, but it also gives your story a stronger sense of progression. As the character moves from one place to another, the visuals naturally feel more cinematic instead of repetitive. Before you continue, remember that the free plan includes a limited number of storyboard generations each day. Because of that, it's worth taking a few extra minutes to review your screenplay before generating assets. Make sure you're happy with the story first, so you don't waste one of your daily generations. Next, decide how many storyboard images you want for each scene. I usually choose 3 shots per scene because it gives me enough options without creating unnecessary extras. Once everything is configured, click Generate and let Storyboard Studio do the work. In just a short time, every scene is transformed into a professional storyboard, complete with multiple camera angles and compositions that match your screenplay. You've now planned the entire production, created your characters, built your environments, and generated your visual storyboard, all without spending a single video generation credit. If you're finding this workflow helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe. I share practical AI filmmaking tutorials like this every week. One last tip before moving on. Make sure you save your storyboard project. Storyboard Studio doesn't always save your progress automatically, so exporting a copy now can save you from having to rebuild everything later if something unexpected happens. With our storyboard complete, we're ready for the next step. Storyboard Studio has already given us a complete screenplay, but we can't send that entire screenplay directly to VEO. Each scene needs its own prompt, so the model knows exactly what to animate. You could write those prompts one by one, but that quickly becomes repetitive. Every prompt has to include the same character description, the correct camera angle, the scene details, and the dialogue. Even for a short 6-scene project, that can easily take 15 to 20 minutes. Instead, we're going to automate that process with ChatGPT. I've created a master prompt that converts an entire screenplay into individual VEO prompts in seconds. You can find it in the resources linked below. Simply copy the master prompt into ChatGPT, paste your screenplay underneath it, and submit it. Within a few moments, ChatGPT generates a separate prompt for every scene in your storyboard. Notice what it does automatically. It keeps the character description consistent across every prompt, preserves the camera angle for each scene, and formats the dialogue correctly for speech generation. This saves a huge amount of time and also helps maintain visual consistency throughout the video. One detail you should never overlook is the dialogue formatting. Whenever you want a character to speak, place the spoken words inside quotation marks. That tells the model exactly what should be spoken. If you leave the dialogue unquoted or mix it into the scene description, the results can be unpredictable. Taking a few extra seconds to format it properly makes the speech much more reliable. Now let's bring everything to life. Open your generated assets and select the image for the first scene. Click Reuse Prompt button. It will add every images and angles for that scene. Now, go to the video section and choose the Almond Flash model you want to use. Then paste the first prompt generated by ChatGPT. This is the stage where video generation credits are used, so it's worth planning your workflow carefully. If you're using the free plan, you receive a fresh set of credits every day. Rather than trying to finish an entire project in one sitting, generate a few scenes today, continue tomorrow, and build your project over several days if needed. For early testing, I recommend using the faster generation mode. It lets you review movement, framing, and dialogue much more quickly. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can regenerate your favorite scenes using the higher quality mode for a cleaner final output. Another thing I really like is that the generated clips already include ambient sound effects and synchronized dialogue. You don't have to open a separate tool just to create background audio or lip sync. Everything is generated together, which makes the workflow much faster. Here's one tip that can save you a lot of time in the long run. Even if you're not actively working on a project, use your daily credits whenever you can. Generate useful clips, environments, or character animations, and save them in organized folders. Over time, you'll build your own library of reusable AI footage that you can incorporate into future videos without starting from scratch. Once every scene has been generated, import all of the clips into your favorite video editor. Arrange them in the same order as your storyboard, Trim away any unwanted sections, add transitions where necessary, and place your narration above or below the original clip audio. This lets you keep the natural background sounds while making sure your voiceover remains clear and easy to understand. After a final review, export your project, and your AI video is ready to publish.
Don't worry, ma'am. I've got them. Let's get everything back together.
Most people walked past me today. You were the only one who stopped.
Well, I love humanity. That's all that matters. Great architecture isn't just about beautiful buildings. It's about improving people's lives. It's about improving people's lives.
Talent opened the door, Marcus. Your character convinced me to trust you with this project.
Thank you. I won't let you down. Every opportunity begins with a single good decision.
And the best investments are always in good people.